Many years ago, somebody said to me, pastors have a higher responsibility in morality and in their ethical and their societal behaviors. That's true if your name is Jesus Christ. But any pastor who is honest is going to say, how is that even possible of me? I'm sinning flesh just as much as you. And although I don't deliberately go out to try and find myself in sin, it's reproachable to put somebody on such a high pedestal. Even Moses, I just said to you, I've never seen someone who forsook comfort to strictly serve the Lord. And even he messed up a handful of times. So I think the idea here is that we should read the Bible with a little bit more rubber meets the road reality. That there is no, sorry, I don't care what color outfit you want to wear to church. There is no man or no woman who can stand and say, I'm outside of your realm and I'm above you. Because that's what a lot of people early on when I came into the pulpit were trying to tell me, that a pastor or minister is held to much higher standards. Well, how so, friend? If I'm human just like you and I freely admit that I'm a sinner and I make every mistake under the sun, how so? Now, that doesn't grant me the license to be immoral, but it doesn't prevent me from sinning, and that's what I want to show you right here.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down before Him, exalt His name today. Come into this house,